Hey guys, I got an unboxing from APHLICKSHUN fingerboards. Probably can't see it. No, looking at the address. Okay, so I'm gonna try to open it. There's some little scissors. Oh, there we go. Oh, sorry guys. Oh my gosh, dude. Here, you do it. Okay, here it is. Holy crap. Oh yeah. The table. Got some non-sliders. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
What is it?
Okay, well, you wouldn't really know about these, so. Okay, so here's my table. Pretty nice. Craftsmanship's awesome. Holy cow, dude, this is awesome. Thank you, APHLICKSHUN fingerboards.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
And then I got some non-sliders.
You're recording this? I thought the whole point was 2 slides, then you put non-sliders on it.
No, on the bottom.
Oh.
Then we got some pivot cups, some washers. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Wait. What is it? Oh, sweet. APHLICKSHUN fingerboards. Aw, yeah. There we go. Just gonna put it on here. There. Ah. Yes. Okay, well, anyways, I'll go. Thanks, APHLICKSHUN fingerboards. Peace. Just, yeah.